Hi everyone, welcome to back my channel. Today you will learn something very useful and very simple. Today's topic is how to order food in English at a restaurant. If you feel shy to speak English, don't worry. This lesson for you. Let's start it. Do you feel nervous when you order food in English? Today that fear ends. In this lesson you will learn easy sentences you can use in any restaurant anywhere in the world. Hi my friends, I'm Sarah, your coach, English teacher. Relax. You are safe here. You will speak better English in the next few minutes. I'm so happy you are learning with me today. Today I will take you how to order food in English. This is very useful. Use this sentence when you go to cafe, a restaurant or even a food truck. For example, you want pizza, you want coffee, you want a sandwich. Sentence number 1. Table of 1 please. Slow. Table for 1 please, meaning you want a seat for yourself. Example, you enter a restaurant, you say this. Say it with me. Table for 1 please. Sentence number 2. Can I see the menu? Slow. Can I see the menu? Meaning you want the list of food. Example, you sit down and you need the menu. Say it. Can I see the menu? Sentence number 3. I would like. Slow. I would like, meaning this is a polite way to order. Example, I would like a burger. Try it. I would like. Sentence number 4. Can I get some water? Slow. Can I some get water? Meaning you want water. Example, you ask the waiter. Repeat. Can I get some water? Sentence number 5. Can I have the bill? Slow. Can I have the bill? Meaning you want to pay. Example, after you finish eating, say it. Can I have the bill? Sentence number 6. Everything was great. Slow. Everything was great, meaning you liked the food. Example, you want to be polite. Repeat. Everything was great. Sentence number 7. Thank you. Slow. Thank you, meaning show kindness. Example, when the waiter brings your food, say it. Thank you. Viewer practice section. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Table for 1 please. Number 2. Can I see the menu? Number 3. I would like a pizza. Number 4. Can I get some water? Number 5. Can I have the bill? Great. Keep going. Pause and practice. Pause the video. Say the sentence again. Practice makes you strong. Fast speaking drill. Listen, then speak fast with me. I would like a pizza. Number 2. Can I get some water? Number 3. Can I have the bill? Good. You are getting faster. Listen to me. You do not need perfect English. Mistakes are okay. Mistakes help you learn. You are improved right now. You are brave. You are learning a new language. I am proud of you. Write one simple sentence in the comments using today's lesson. For example, I would like a coffee. Now you try. I will read your comment. If this lesson helped you, please like this video. It helps my channel grow. And if you want more easy English lessons, hit subscribe. Share this video with someone who is learning English too. You did an amazing job today. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye bye friends.